Welcome to Two Truths and a Lie with Quadratics, number 1. So, quick review of quadratics. When we're looking at a parabola, we have an axis of symmetry. We have a vertex. We have a y-intercept where it intersects the y-axis. There are x-intercepts that are here in red. We also sometimes call these zeros. And we also refer to them as roots. So in this example, there's a negative root and a positive root. So let's take a look at these 3 parabolas and determine which 2 are truths and which one is the lie. I'm looking for a parabola with the vertex 2, -3. Here's the vertex on A. Where is this when I look at my coordinate grid? 2, 3, -3. You can see 0 zeros up here, over 2, down, -3. All right, B. Where is this vertex on the coordinate grid? The 0 is over here, over 2, down, -3. Let's take a look at C. Where is this vertex? Over 2 on the x-axis and up +3. So we have truth, vertex at 2, -3, truth, vertex at 2, -3, and a lie. All right, let's try another one. All right, a parabola with positive roots. So let's take a look at A. Here are the roots. I can see one is in between 1 and 2, positive, and the other one is almost 5. So those are both positive. B. Where are the roots? It doesn't seem to intersect on the x-axis. So this one, it doesn't have any roots or zeros. C. All right, on this one, I can see this one is really thin. So I've got one root in between 0 and 1, and the other one's around 2. So this one definitely has positive roots. So truth, truth, lie. All right, your turn. Try and figure this one out. Use your best effort. Use some of the strategies we looked at. Pause this video. When you are ready and you've given your best effort, check your solution with mine by typing in this short link.